As you guys have read by the title, this video is going to be a more natural, radiant look. It's like your skin, but better. So if you're interested in achieving this, then please keep watching. Okay, I have a shirt on, I promise. I've already moisturized my face, so now we're gonna take the Roden & Fields Reverse Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. I never used to use sunscreen, but the more I started going on vacation, I realized I needed to because I burn really easily, especially on my face. And oh, for moisturizer, I used the First Aid Beauty face cream, I believe it's called. I get red really easily, so don't mind that. It's normal for me. Okay, I think it's good. Next, I'm gonna take this Maybelline New York Master Prime Primer Base. I love this, it's so moisturizing, and I have combination, like dry combination skin. I just put this all over my face as well. I don't want to use anything too smoothing because I do want this look to stay glowy and natural. So this giving us the moisturizing effect will help. Once that primer sits, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I'm in the shade 455. And I'm gonna mix that with my Marc Jacobs Dewdrops in the shade Do You. This is a travel size one because I just took it on vacation with me. So we're gonna do a pump of that, and then pump-ish of this foundation. And I'm just gonna go straight in, mix it out with my beauty blender. Ooh, that glow, I can already see it. Okay, let's do this. It gives us great coverage, but it's still thin. So it still gives us the effect that it looks like skin and not just a thick layer over our face. As you guys can see, like my skin is still peeking through. So we're not covering completely. Just slightly. And then we'll go back with concealer later on and spot conceal. Now I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. A little of this goes a long way. So what I like to do, just a little bit there. Plus we're still trying to keep it natural. I know this may not seem natural to some, but it's a natural glam. On our forehead. Concealer is lighter than my skin tone, so it will give us that brightening effect, which I like. I like a brighter under eye. And I'm going to take my concealer once again and just spot conceal. And a trick that I like to do, I usually like to let it set for a little bit, and then that concealer like grips onto my skin. Then I blend it away with my sponge. Okay, once we blend it away, we're gonna set, and I'm only gonna set my T-zone because I still want this to be dewy and not look too mattifying with all the powder. We're gonna take the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops once again. Put this on our cheekbones. And then our nose as well. Okay, why not a little more? For powder, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty. Blend away those creases first. And I don't want to touch where I put the Marc Jacobs drops. So we'll just do sides of our nose, under our eyes, and smile lines. And a little bit on our chin. I don't normally like to let my powder set. I just like to wipe it away. Cream contour, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. Let's just do a little bit of that. Okay, I applied way too much again. There you go. Taking my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, I'm gonna take just a little bit and set everywhere we cream contoured. So our forehead and our cheekbones. And then let's bring some of that bronzer down our neck, our chest area. I tan really weird. So my face and my neck are normally darker than the rest of my body. And then everywhere else I'm dark. Taking my powder brush, I'm just going to just blend, because that cream contour is looking a little harsh. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy highlighter, I'm gonna take it on a fan brush. And then just bring back that highlight that we put earlier. Here. Okay, so after we highlight, let's apply some blush. It gives us a luminosity as well as color. So since we're going for that glowy look, we're gonna use this one. So pretty. And then I like to bring it across my nose as well, to bring out that sunburn I had earlier. So we have a nice glowy base. Let's move on to the eyes, my favorite part. In the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, let's use Burnt Orange. I think I need a smaller mirror. Okay. Let's take Burnt Orange into our crease. And then I'll take a little bit of orange soda just to lighten it up here. This doesn't need to be perfect. We want it to be glowy and a little more natural. So I honestly just blend everywhere. To add that glow to our eyelids, I'm going to take the same highlighter just on my finger. And this does not need to be neat whatsoever. So I literally just go like that. Go in with that blending brush once again, just blend the highlight with the matte. Now we really are glowing. Now let's just run a little bit of burnt orange and orange soda into our lash line. I'm going to take my favorite brow pencil. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. When I'm going for more of a dewy natural look, I don't like to fill them in too much. I just fill in what sparse areas I have and then underneath and brush it up. Eyebrows are on. Now we really only have mascara and lips to do. For this look, I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is the waterproof version. I like to use waterproof because I have really watery eyes whenever I put mascara on, so this stuff stays. It doesn't give me any issues throughout the day either. Man. So tip for whenever you get mascara or eyeliner on your face, I let it dry and then I take the spoolie from my eyebrow pencil and just brush it away. And last but not least, I'm gonna take my Morphe lip liner in Love Bite. This is a great natural nudie pink. I'm going to take this Kylie lip gloss in the shade Oh You Fancy. I like a sheer lip gloss for more of a natural look. I like sheer lip glosses anyway, but they're perfect. Oh, now we have some glowy lips. Instead of a setting spray, I'm going to use this Mario Badescu facial spray just to add a little bit more glow. And now we're going to let down our hair. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, please like and comment down below what else you'd like to see, and I'd love to film it for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, subscribe down below, and I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.